Alright, so here I am going to work out part 2, number 2, where I'm graphing this equation right here, y equals x plus 1. And if you're wondering how did I get this, you need to watch the video for part 1, number 2, where I converted from standard form to slope-intercept form. But now that I have it in slope-intercept form, I can graph it fairly easy. So what I'm going to do is, first thing is I need to make sure that you know what your slope is here. If there's, you learned back in about 5th or 6th grade that if there's nothing written in front of the variable, there's really a hidden 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a fraction. So 1 over 1, because that equals 1. And that way I know how far I need to rise and how far I need to run. So now I'm ready to graph this thing. First thing I'm going to graph is the y-intercept. So y-intercept is positive 1. And then my rise is 1 and my run is 1. Now what that means is I'm going to start here, my y-intercept, and I'm going to rise up 1 and I'm going to run over 1 and put a point there. And then I'm going to rise up 1 and over 1. Up 1 and over 1. I'm going to just keep doing that. You can see the pattern it's making, forming a straight line. I'm going to go in the opposite direction, keep it going. I'd like for this graph to, or this line to extend the length of my graph. And then I connect the points. And that is it. And you notice it's hard to see, but there's little arrows on both sides of that line because it goes on forever in both directions. And that is how you do number 2.